Hello, welcome to the VFX build lightsabers. We're gonna build a lightsaber, or the effect of the lightsaber, in the video thing. We have an ultra saber, so it's already kind of bright, but we're gonna make it a little bit more brighter, and it's just gonna make it follow what I'm doing in the clip. The clip's kind of dark, but it's alright. I'm gonna work with it. The camera that I have, which is a Canon 80D, doesn't really do good video darkness. You can do it outside, it's brilliant in the dark outside, but taking a photo, but not with a lightsaber. So take that at a grain of salt. It's gonna look the image quality anyway, and the VFX build is kind of just, you can do it with whatever. Okay, so we're going to start with whatever you got at your clip, move it back, and you want to get Video Copilot. If you don't have Video Copilot, the plugin, then I don't know how you're going to do this. You're going to make a solid, name it Saber, make sure it's a black solid as well. So yeah, and then you're going to get the actual Video Copilot stuff, and bingo. Sorry. And then you want to kind of just play around with the settings. You can do it to whatever you want, but I'm going to put the glow intensity onto 29%, the core size to 12, just because I want that little big of a core. And then glow bias 0.66, and then the glow spread 0.19, and then that's pretty much everything. The first bit, just get the other guy to catch it. This is me from the past, by the way. He's doing a wordless tutorial. Okay, so he's got up to speed, I think. Just move my chair. So we're going to go into customize core, and we're going to change it to Saber if it's not already there. Start size 100, roundness 0.50. We're just going to change those, I think. Glow distortion, we're going to change that to smoke, and then it's going to be multiply. There we go. Then we're going to change that to 0.50. I'm just shuffling around. Okay, and then move that to 1 point. Scale it down to 10. And then the bias is 1. So we're just going to get rid of a little bit of noise, and then we can get rid of measurement, and then we're going to put the noise complexity to 3. Moving on. Yeah, there we go. So that's, once you got all that, you can play around with settings if you want. Go for it. And then we're going to put this in the screen so we can blend it. So these two little points, they're the core start and the core end. So you want to start moving them now. Just move them into position if you haven't already. You can just do that like that. That's core start. And that's the core end. So once we've got that done, we're going to do every second. So we're going to have the keyframe the hell out of this. So we're going to keyframe them both from the beginning, and then just make sure it just runs through and looks nice, I guess. So let's go call start, call end. Let's move it across a little bit to 1 second. Just to make it, yep, we're going to move that. There we go. Moving the other one now. Bingo. What's this name? And then we're basically gonna have to do that for all things. So I'm not gonna. I've done a little bit. I'll do a little bit of it. But for you, it's just gonna not be perfect when it's your first time every second. So you're gonna have to be a little bit nitpicky and just go through every time, just looking for fuck ups. Once you find those fuck ups, you'll be fine and you'll have this down pat. But you won't get it the first time, really, because look at this. This is 30 minutes or an hour's worth of stuff, and I was just doing this just to test it again. I've done this before, but I wanted to test. I'm just gonna keep moving this all a little bit. I'll do every second, and then that's this video. There we go. So basically, we're just making it, moving this saber effect with the Ultra Saber, and it just makes it worth it. Like, there we go. Bammo. There we go. There. Oop. Yeah, a little bit. No. Yep. Yep. Just moving the cool stars every goddamn frame. It's just very tedious, but if you really do like these kind of things, you're gonna kind of do shit that's tedious. Oh god, rotoscoping is especially tedious. If we really wanted to, we could kind of just do some light adjustment maybe, but I don't want to. So yeah, I think I've got off screen now with the stuff. So basically I'm just going to get to the end. There we go. So see, that it's kind of not perfect, but if you're going to do it, you're going to go and adjust it every tiny little bit and just get it to look like it's an actual thing going one by one. So I'm just going to kind of just fix some of this. Always save your work. I've got an autosaver on. You don't want to like get, and especially these programs, Adobe programs, they just have the tendency of crashing whenever the hell they want. So just be aware. There we go. A little bit done. Moving a little bit in these things, just to make it look a little better. Like the Ultra Saber is really good. They're really good quality lightsabers. If you're into getting lightsabers, this is really quality. They might cost a tiny bit, but they're weighed. The hilt's weighed. It's not like the really crappy ones you buy from a toy store that's made by Disney and stuff. I don't know how the ones at the Galaxy Edge is, but these ones are very nice. There, I just did the first couple. I'm a little bit off there. I'm going to fix that up a little bit. There we go. Just fixing up a little bit of these. Just showing the process. It's kind of... There we go. Oh, there we go. No. There. Fix that a little bit. Just put that up there. That down. There we go. Ooh. Oh, I fucked up. Whoops. So make sure you save. So basically, that's it. You just make sure you nitpick it. Like I've already said, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, here is my test version. In a second, just give it a second to come over. So this is what I did beginning. It looks alright. Like you can kind of see this is fully rendered, by the way. And then here's the version I did in the build. You can see it's kind of off, like it's off a little bit more, and you can see what if you don't keyframe it. Yeah. So here's the one that I just did, but I finished it before I rendered it out, and here it is. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this VFX build. Hope it kind of helped. You can get Video Copilot in the description down below, the Saber plugin. Anyway, goodbye.